This is my 55-inch flat screen television that I purchased for my wife as a Christmas present a little over 5 years ago. For about a week now, it just didn't turn on. It would light up the blue LED standby for a few power cycles, then immediately turn itself off. Today we are going to figure out why. First, I took the television down off the wall and placed it onto my sofa so that it didn't get scratched. Then I removed every screw on the back of the display, including the wall mounting brackets, and opened up the chassis. My first thought were to disconnect and reconnect everything, somewhat like a CMOS battery reset, but that ended up just wasting time. Finally, upon inspection of the power supply board, I realized that the capacitors were all exploded. In power supplies, capacitors are used to smoothen or filter the pulsating DC output. If they explode or bubbling over, they malfunction, and that's what causes the display not to turn on. With this knowledge, I looked up their model so I could fix it myself, but I couldn't find them online. Then I looked up the 3C repair shops in my area, and bingo, not even 5 minutes away I had found a shop. So I removed the power supply board, put it into an anti-static bag, found a motherboard I had, and drove off to find him. Although only 6 of my capacitors were exploded, he insisted on replacing all 9. I thought he was doing this because I was a foreigner and he wanted to charge more money, but actually, all in all, he only charged a little more than it would have cost me to buy by myself, which was 500 Taiwanese dollars or less than 16 USD. Back home I was a bit weary. I'm a pretty pessimistic person, so in my mind I just blew around $20 in a day trying to fix something that I'll be recycling later. I placed the board back into place and then tested it from there. The blue LED I had long before had finally stayed on. I put all the screws back into place and remounted it and tested it one final time with success.